flood warning for the following counties in California: Riverside and San Bernardino. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for the Apple and El Dorado burn scar in Riverside County in Southern California, San Bernardino County in Southern California, until 5:45 p.m. PDT. At 2:30 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms headwind over the Apple and El Dorado burn scar. Between 0.75 and 1.25 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.25 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Apple and El Dorado burn scar. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Apple and El Dorado burn scar. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Apple and El Dorado burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Yucaipa, Banning, Whitewater, Kali Mesa, Morongo Indian Reservation, and Cherry Valley.
California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern San Bernardino.
But it's the best tart I ever had. Oh. Which actor character are you? I'm a Buster because I'm always hungry. Which one?
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: widespread flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes, and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Barstow, Daggett, Owl Canyon Campground, Eagle Center, and Linwood, as well as Irwin and Fort Irwin roads. Flash flood warning for the following counties: San Bernardino, California.